Good morning, students. Do you like reading stories? Yes, today we are going to read a story about an elephant. All of you open your book on page number 3, Padmini the Princess. It is written by Saroj Mukherjee. She has written many short stories for children and about wildlife. She wrote this story about an elephant both in Hindi and English. This story is told by a boy. His grandmother Amma lives alone near a forest. One day she finds a wild elephant that is badly hurt. Badly hurt means badly wounded. Amma wants to take care of the elephant. The boy's father finds a vet. Now, who is a vet? An animal doctor is a vet. Manoj, who agrees to help her. Let's read the story. To my delight. To my delight means he is feeling happy. Father and Manoj uncle took me along to Amma's house. You all also go to your granny's house during vacation and you feel very happy to go. So same way this child is also feeling very delighted. Amma, tell me what happened to the elephant, said Manoj uncle. Amma said, I think she was caught and held in ropes and chains, while the rest of the herd escaped. Herd means it is collective noun used for group of animals. Escaped means to free oneself. She was able to free herself with great difficulty. The wounds are giving her lot of pain. She cannot eat or drink properly. Properly means in the correct way. And so she is weak. Now this happens when you are sick. When you are sick, you don't feel like eating, drinking, anything. So same way, this elephant is also feeling very weak and is unable to eat or drink. I take her sugarcane and little water, but she is too frightened to eat or drink. Frightened means she is too scared, afraid. But as soon as the wounds is the injury, heal. Another word for heal is when it is cured. I am sure she will return to the forest. Forest is the home of the animals. Amma had named her Padmini. She and Manoj uncle is the veterinary doctor, went first to see Padmini. Soon they came back and Manoj uncle told us, Padmini's trunk is cut in many places. The wounds are deep. The injury on the trunk of the elephant is very deep. Then he took out a gun. Amma looked at it and had tears in her eyes. Manoj uncle explained. Explained means told her, Amma ji, this won't kill Padmini. I have to stitch the wounds. I can do only when she is asleep. When the animal goes to sleep, then only Manoj uncle can start the treatment. This gun has bullets that will make Padmini sleep for few hours. The bullet worked and Padmini was soon asleep. While she slept, Manoj uncle cleaned and stitched her trunk gently. Then he returned to Amma's house, looking tired but happy. The next day, before he left, he told us how to look after Padmini until he came back. 2 days later, Amma decided to take me to see Padmini. Amma said Padmini is much better, but she still needs some help to eat and drink. We walked to the forest and soon came to an old temple. Amma rang the large bell there. When we go to the temple, what we do? We ring the bell. Very soon, a few small animals came to the temple. Then some birds. We must never show animals that we are afraid, said Amma. It makes them feel that we might harm them. She gave them some food she had brought with her. Where is Padmini? I asked. Amma just smiled. Soon there was the crunching sound of leaves and branches. What do you understand by crunching sound of leaves? It is the sound made when leaves are crushed under the feet. When we are walking on leaves, you can hear a particular sound. This sound is called the crunching sound of leaves. It was Padmini with bandages around her trunk. She came up to Amma. Amma patted Padmini's trunk gently. How are you feeling, my child? She asked softly. She held out 2 bananas. Students, do you like bananas? Elephants like bananas very much. So that is why Amma took bananas for the elephant. Now let us see what she is telling the elephant. Remember what I told you. She said, don't take off your bandages. Then she said, let's go to the river. You need some water. We all walk to the water's edge. Water's edge, what it is? The point where the land ends and you are in the water. In Hindi we call it kinara. Padmini knelt down. I poured water into her mouth. Many buckets of water. Soon it was time for Padmini to return to the forest and for us to go back home. Seeing the forest and Padmini was like a dream. It was magical. So students, did you see how Amma took care of Padmini and saw that Padmini was back to good health? So, in time of sickness, whether you are sick or anybody at home is sick, we need to take proper medicines, good food and lot of water to drink. This will help you to recover fast. Now students, Padmini is happy back to the forest and Amma back home. Now what you have to do? You have to read the lesson loudly to your parents, and for your homework, learn and write the new words, spelling and meaning in your copy. We will do the book exercise in our next class. Till then, be good children, obey your parents, help your parents. Thank you. Bye.